I've been in the manufacturing industry since 1998. Started off after I graduated high school, went to college, got my bachelor's in engineering and mechanical engineering. Then I learned that in order to be a good engineer, you have to know how everything's manufactured. So I went to TSTC in Harlingen to learn how to become a machinist. Once I did that, I pretty much had an aspect of both ends of it, how things are engineered, how they're made, and what is possibly the most effective way and cost effective to manufacture a part. We're trying to bring manufacturing back into the U.S. We can manufacture a product faster, better than anybody. We manufacture anything from in the oil, gas industry, industrial, aircraft, and hopefully moving towards clean energy as well. What's made us successful is basically meeting our customer demands. Customer needs a part by a certain date, we make it happen. They need it overnight, we make it happen. The quality that we produce is just amazing. We try to minimize all the errors that we can, and that's helped us push through the industry. As of right now, REM manufacturing is ISO compliance. We do have a standard management system that we follow, but we are currently working to go ahead and get our ISO certificate and our Q1 certification. That's the step. So in 6 months, we will be ISO and Q1 certified. Our technology has come a long way.
REM's success has been based on keeping up with technology. Sawblade.com has contributed to the technology side and the metal side. The quality of the blades from Sawblade.com is actually extraordinary. All you have to do is log in, order what you need, and that's it, pay.
We work together as a team. Nobody else is better than anybody here. We all work together as a teamwork. All our input is being considered. There's many ways of manufacturing a part. So you got to get the right people in the right places. You got to form the right team. By us putting all our ideas together and working as a team, we're able to manufacture a part more efficient and in a timely manner. Manufacturing, bringing it back to America, and that's what we're trying to do. So without the customers, we're nothing. My goal is to meet their demands. What helps them is going to help us, and what helps us is going to help them.